beauty people, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna share something about iPhone 10 10s Max speaker. Last year I made a video for iPhone 10. Actually there are lots of people are thinking iPhone 10s Max has 3 speakers to play music, but they're a little bit wrong, because normally we can see two here we can see 2 stereo speaker at the bottom, but thing is left bottom holes are not actually speaker. They are just some little creepy holes which are actually for microphone. We get scared when no sound is coming from left side holes, bottom left side holes, so no need to worry about it. I went to Apple store and I made a conversation with Apple. They just let me know that actually this left side holes for microphone, not for speaker. Okay, let me play one song, then you'll clear. Okay. So sound is coming from here and another from the top. So if I block or if I hold these speakers together, see, no sound is coming from left side holes. So now we understand this is speaker only for microphone. I'm sure, 100% sure. And you can also adjust your or you can also balance your volume from settings. Just tap on settings and go to general and go to accessibility and scroll down. You will find this bar and you can adjust your volume from this slider. That's it. Thanks for watching, and if you like my video, please share and subscribe to my channel.